I just got the shower and now I'm going to the beach nearby. On the way to the beach and with my gadgets in my hand, so it's gonna be like walking from last 1.5 kilometers, so stay tuned with me. In 200 meters turn. Yeah guys, so I'm on my way to this famous cliff beach of Varkala and I don't think so that I will be over to this place. Like ये जगह से मैं जा पाऊंगी और यहाँ पे सब ना बाकी बैक वाटर्स का है जो कि मैंने आपको एलपी पे दिखाई दिया है. So it's gonna be a different experience. I will be showing you like a few cafes and all and then this beach. So stay tuned with Hawaii. I'm in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and I needed space. Every day is sunny, oh that's what they say. Since I landed here it's raining every day. You and I are stormy too, wondering if I'm good for you. Are we ignoring the truth? You like to pull me apart. Do you love me? Do you not? Either way you had me from the start. Maybe the rain will pass soon and leave us with a super glue. Baby I know it's been a rough June. I hope we make it to our super glue. I've shown you the Varkala Cliff Beach and now I'm moving towards the main beach. Let's see how I'm gonna go. I'm seeing one auto there, let me ask them. So guys, I'm almost there. I have reached, it's showing 50 meters. Let's go to the main beach of Varkala. Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. So I just arrived this place. This is the main beach of Varkala. So you can see the background and this beach. This Varkala is all known about the cliff beach. So I'm not showing you more in this, like I'm not doing this bug sort of thing. Have a great view ahead. Stay tuned. So you have seen my Instagram picture. These guys are behind that. इन्होंने मुझको हेल्प किया है, पोज भी बताया है. So I want to show you them. Guys, I've shown you this beach and now I'm gonna have my lunch. I'm so hungry. I didn't have my breakfast. I didn't have anything yet. So stay tuned with Hawaii and do let's support her and do show some love. I just reached one cafe which is in the rooftop sort of thing, so have a beautiful view behind. Let me show you that thing. Which is pizza. Let me show you. So you know what? मैंने पूरा एक पिज्जा खा लिया. एक पिज्जा यू आप देख के सोचोगे कि मैं कितनी बड़ी भूख हुआ ना. I'm still into this, like still into this. And yum. So it's like कि ये लोग बहुत शौक होंगे कि मैं इतना खा रही हूँ. But frankly speaking, आप लोगों को पता है कि मेरा लंच और डिनर का जो बैंड बजा है ना यहाँ पे, so I can't just even tell you. So हमारी तरफ से एडवाइस, do it well. बट ऐसे जब आपका ट्रिप चलता रहता है वैसे ज़्यादा नहीं खाना. यू वोंट बी एबल टू एक्सप्लोर मोर इफ यू ईट लाइक हेल्थ. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद Hawaii. This place for one day and will be leaving tomorrow. I have my flight tomorrow, but I'm thinking or planning of exploring few more places. So stay tuned with Hawaii. I'm gonna show you the hostel today in a night view probably. So let me show you this.
I just woke up and I came and वहाँ से मतलब मेरे हमारे हॉस्टल से 6.5 किलोमीटर पे कापिल बीच था and there was a girl and guy जिनके पास कार थी, so we came by that and I'm going to show you this place. यहाँ पे एक साइड पे सी है और एक साइड पे लेक, so stay tuned with Hawaii.
गाइज आई एम गोइंग टू हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट राइट नाउ। तो हमको दिखा कि यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे करी करी सॉर्ट ऑफ मिल रहा था, तो हमने सिर्फ यहाँ से एक जूस पिया।
Guys, I've shown you that I already had my breakfast there. वहाँ पे मैंने डोसा खाया, so it was not that good. Okay, no offense taken. और उसके बाद हम ऐसे हॉस्टल में आए और अभी मेरा फ्लाइट ऑलमोस्ट 6 बजे का है, तो मेरे को जल्दी से शावर लेके एक ड्रोन कैमरा आई विल शूट दिस प्लेस लाइक ये हॉस्टल सो दैट यू गाइस आर कमिंग हियर सून, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ।
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon, and I'm up all night howling at you. Tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned.
And then this goodbye time have arrived and I'm on my way to Kalambalam bus stand. I will be getting a bus for Trivandrum and then let's see how am I going to reach Kolkata. Just reached Kalambalam and now I'm going to Trivandrum. I'm going to have my bus. So let's go.
सो मेरे को बस तो मिल गई एंड मेरे को सीट भी मिल गया। एक्चुअली जो कंडक्टर थे उनके बगल वाले सीट में मैं बैठ चुकी हूँ अभी।
मैं जब यहाँ पे उतरी तो टाइम हो रहा था आपका 3:25, सो मेरे को लगा कि अभी तो टाइम है, तो आई एम गोइंग फॉर कोवलम बीच, आई एम गोइंग टू सी दैट प्लेस। जल्दी जल्दी करना है क्योंकि मेरे को फ्लाइट नहीं छोड़ना है ना यार। Kovalam beach and as you know my flight is at 6, so I need to leave this place so soon, but I just want to see this place and you guys will be loving it. It's quite damn beautiful, man.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement and I'm reading it slow. understand it fully. Appreciate my standing. Go out of this world and ride on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates, baby. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates, baby. Mission control.
I am on the Kovalam beach only. I have came here to have my lunch. Like I haven't eaten anything, so I'm going to have something, and I'm going to show you where I'm actually. So stay tuned with Hawa Hawaii. And I'm so damn tired, so I'm not able to even smile.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
So it's getting late, so I'm packing my things. Like I packed one vegetable biryani of herb. I don't know how is that, but still I wanna try. So I'm getting late and I want to go. I have to buy chips for my family. Like they have to taste it. It's so amazing. So मैं उनके लिए चिप्स लेके जा रही हूँ और वो मैं बहुत जल्दी बोलने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत लेट हो रहा है और डर भी लग रहा है क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट यहाँ से दूर है. So I take almost 40 minutes to reach there. So stay tuned. The airport and अभी मेरा जो middle seat की वजह से I have to wear this PPE kit. So बहुत लेट हो गया, so I was not able to record properly, but still I reached her and I'm going to have my flight at 6:05. So stay tuned with Hawa Hawaii and I will show you the PPE kit.
एंड अब मैंने ये पहन लिया और आगे की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वेयर्ड. और इसमें बहुत गर्मी लगेगी, दिमाग खा दही हो जाएगा, बट यू नीड टू वेयर दिस इफ यू हैव मिडल सेट. And I got this middle seat and this is so damn disgusting, you know. It's like, oh my. So I reached here और मेरा flight was connecting like it was Trivandrum to Bangalore and then Bangalore to Kolkata. So मेरे को भी यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर वेट करना है as it is a layover of 2 hours. So we are like this.
Kolkata, so that's the end of this point, and Kolkata to Kerala and Kerala to Kolkata ends here. See you guys soon with another trip. Stay tuned, do like and subscribe as always. Support Hawa Hawaii भाइयों और बहनों.